In this video, I will show you how to download 1xBet to your iPhone device in Bangladesh. Like and subscribe to your YouTube channel for more important videos like this. This is exactly what you can do. The first thing is to come to your search bar on your App Store and search for the app 1xBet. Now, unfortunately for you, you might not see the application on your iPhone device. So this is what you can do after you've not seen the application 1xBet. To do that, just click on your account details, or the shortest form, come to your settings. In your settings, you click on your account. On your account, you are going to click on media and purchases. Choose view account, the third option. You are going to come over to country or region. You are going to choose change country or region. Now once you come over here, you are going to try and search for the country Nepal. So once you search for the country Nepal, here's it. You are going to click on agree. You can read through all of this, but it's a lot of time, but just click on agree. Now this is where it's very important, and I'll recommend you follow attentively what I'm about to show you. When you come to these details here, the first one, you have to choose none. Your first name and surname, you are going to allow them as they are. In the street, you are going to write the street Baneshwa. So the next street, you are going to allow that empty. The first one, you already have Baneshwa. The city, you are going to write Kathmandu. And then the county, you are going to say right Kathmandu. The postcode, you are going to write the number 44600. And the phone number, you are going to write the phone number 986-5543-684. So I'll retake that. The street, you are going to write Baneshwar. The city, Kathmandu. The county, Kathmandu. The postcode 44600. And the phone 986-5543-684. Once you've written all of that, you click on next. Once you come back to your App Store and you search 1xBet, that is the application there, and you can go ahead and install to your iPhone. Very easy. Please, if this video is helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel.